Festival of Globe founder and convener Dr. Romesh Japra right here with us another year at the Alameda County Fairgrounds in Pleasanter for the biggest festival of India, Diwali, the festival of lights, the festival that wards us from the evil and takes us towards life, towards positivity, towards energy. Welcome Dr. Japra to Yo India TV with me Jasleen, Khanuja. It's an honor and a pleasure to have you here again. Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali, Jasleen, to all the viewers of Yo India TV. It's a wonderful feeling to be with you again.
It's 26th year and we have this festival, a very big festival. I think thousands of people have gathered. So what's new this year?
Well, like you said, as a matter of fact, the festival lights, the Diwali, we've been doing for 36 years. We started in 1983 at the temple and then we outgrew it. We started doing it outside, and as the numbers have been growing up to 2,000 to 5 to 10 to 15, and today we have even crossed that number. So we have moved over to Alameda Fairgrounds, and that's one of the things so that we can accommodate a lot more people. Diwali is one of the largest and the most significant festivals. Just like our Christmas over here, the Diwali is even bigger than that as far as the Indians are concerned. So the Indian Americans here would love to celebrate this in a grand way. And that's what we try to provide. We try to create this little India. We have more than 100 booths this year. We have a lot more rides for the children to participate. We had more than 700 kids who did the dance competition, who participated in this cultural program. Then of course we even had the speech competition today where the children participated, get confident, and then get them on the stage. So we have Ram Leela, some of these junkies and others as well where the kids have been participating. And of course we're going to have the fireworks in a big way. It's coming up. It's going to be a huge show. Big kids and small kids, well, I'm actually referring to the adults, both the males and females. As you can see, people with beautiful smiles have gathered around me. These folks have all come from Walnut Creek to enjoy the Pleasanter Diwali Mela 2018. Well, it's a very festive occasion. It feels like India back home, and I'm so excited to see all these different kinds of booths that depict Indian culture, Indian festivity, and you guys are also enjoying. So let's begin with asking you, what's the best thing you have enjoyed till now?
I liked dancing and performing in front of people, and the food.
So what did you dance on?
A Balam Pichakari.
Balam Pichkari tune mujhe bari. So you see, people are all enjoying the Bollywood out here in Silicon Valley as well. And how many people were there all together on the stage for Balam Pichkari?
Eight.
Around 8?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time practicing for it?
Yeah, I loved it.
You loved it?
Yeah.
So will you be doing again these kind of shows?
Yeah.
We love watching our kids performing here, and this is the first time that we've been here, but we're enjoying the spirit here. Diwali spirit, it feels like we're in India, so it's having fun.
I enjoyed the performances. They're still having performances. We're enjoying the food. You can see my hands are oily right now. I had chana puri. We enjoyed shopping. She got something for her. So yeah, it's festive. Thanks.
Wonderful. Yeah, it's shopping time. It's Diwali time, Diwali Mela. You look so excited. What was the best part for you?
My best part was I love the food part, and because of the food it's making me like I am staying here because, and I also love the dance because it was making me look like that it's my first time doing this.
That's wonderful. We need to go back and check with Dr. Japra who are the food vendors. Even kids are relishing it so much. That's nice. Great honest feedback. What about you?
I like all the entertainment program happened here, including the dancing, light music and all those things. It's very well organized, and of course we like the food too, and hanging out with friends too.
Yeah, it was good. It's the second time we are here. We was here like 5 years back when this guy was like 2 years old. And definitely the place, the stalls, they grew so much, and the entertainment is really good. Yeah, that's what we're enjoying, and happy Diwali to everybody.
And I see beautiful train also going back. Kids are enjoying the train ride. Wow, there is a lot of rides out here for all the different kids. Did you have any rides?
Yeah, I went on that one where it's spinning and you sit, that one over there.
That's nice. What about you?
I like the booths and the dance performances.
I liked everything. The best part is, having fun with friends.
Yeah, I enjoyed the rides, the kids enjoying that. That is the most important thing. And the food also, and all over everything.
What about you? Where are you from?
I am with them and I enjoy watching the kids perform. Enjoy nice food out here, family, friends.
Did your wife do any shopping?
Yeah, she did, I think.
That's nice. So keep enjoying, ladies, and it was really nice speaking with you, and you too. Keep enjoying the nice food. It's very delicious, and on festive occasions we must never miss delicious food. So thank you so much, and happy Diwali to you all.
Happy Diwali!
रामचंद्र विद्वान देव मुनि ऋषि प्राण को उद्यत हुए बलवान. Now scene 2, Ram Ravan fight. सर फेंके रघुराज ने रावण पर दुखकार, उसने भी निज बाण का बांध दिया तब तार. जैसे दो हो केसरी अथवा दो गजराज, ऐसे दोनों वे भिड़े रावण राघव राज. सीता को तब दो मिले गदगद हो रघुनाथ. बुद्धि सुबुद्धि वीरता दे रामायण गान, विपदा व्याधि विघ्न सभी हरण कष्ट विज्ञान. बोलो सियापति रामचंद्र की.
दीप जलाओ आज दिवाली रे, हंसी खुशी सब मिलके गाओ आज दिवाली रे, खील पताशे बांटो आज दिवाली रे. Well, this is truly festive in all regards, involving all ages and telling all aspects of Diwali so far away from our motherland, right here in San Francisco, California, thanks to Dr. Romesh Japra, who's been taking the tradition on and on, as he mentioned, from past 36 years. That's really remarkable, and I believe laser show is something special that I have not seen in any other show here in the Bay Area. So tell us a little more about it.
I think the laser show we've been doing in the last few years, along with the fireworks, and even I'm not that satisfied at this point, because you need big screens and other things to really stop these laser shows, and we are working on some artistic type of show which hopefully will come up in the future. Otherwise the laser has become very common these days in the homes and everything else. It used to be lighting, the Christmas lighting used to be the big thing, but now these laser lights have become huge and big over there. But now if you can be creative and create these some of these animation with the lasers, which I've seen at a very high level done, where you can play the whole Ramayana or Hanuman's feats and everything through the laser shows. I think that'll be something to look for in the future, and I'm working on that as well. But otherwise, like I said, we have this Diwali sign which gets lit up. Everybody loves it, and the fireworks like 4th of July, when they go up there, people ask, what is it all about? Why do you do the fireworks? And then we said the celebrations about victory of good over evil. So that's when Ravana was killed, and then we celebrated Rama coming back, because so that celebration itself, the victory of good over evil, the message we want to give it to not only just our generations and our Indian Americans, but to the whole world out there. It's very important. So much terrorism going on, so many other bad things going on, drug dealers, the gangs and everything else, and we want to make sure with this message of peace, non-violence, and this celebration can get into the children so that they can propagate peace and non-violence.
Absolutely. So this is a very fabulous occasion where people get together, enjoy sweets, enjoy rides, and enjoy the musical celebration as well as the fireworks together.
And so on behalf of our entire council, we wanted to present the certificate to Dr. Romesh Chopra, the founder of FoG, and congratulate them on their occasion of Diwali Mela. and the fireworks at the Alameda County Fairgrounds this evening. But I also wanted to say how important it is to celebrate this cultural event because it's the spreading of light and joy and happiness. And I think that's something that we need now more than ever. And so I wanted to wish you all a Shubh Navratri ahead of time. And thank you so much. Happy Diwali. Diwali Mela.
Thank you so much. On behalf of all of you, we would like to accept it from the city of Fremont.
Hello everyone, we have a lot of dignitaries who have graced their presence here at the Alameda County Fairground for the beautiful Diwali Mela organized by Festival of Globe, FoG, the FIA, led by Dr. Romesh Chhabra. And we have none other than Suraj Vishwanathan. Suraj Vishwanathan is running for the council member of Milpitas, and he has also wished all the viewers, all the audience out here a very happy Diwali. So Suraj, how's the Mela this year? How's the feel overall?
The feel is great. Dr. Chhabra is doing a fantastic job in promoting the culture, the Indian culture, and I'm really honored to be here, part of this organization, and it looks great.
So there are hundreds of booths this year. So this is a great move. How do you think this is different from Diwali Mela back in India?
I think actually this Mela is much more well organized than the ones in India. You really get the festival feel here, and I think Dr. Chhabra has been a pioneer in promoting the Indian culture in the US because we really need it here, especially with the turbulent conditions at the national level. It's very important for us to stamp our culture here and promote our culture so people understand who we are, what we believe in, and what our culture is.
Absolutely. So any message on the occasion of Diwali to your India TV viewers?
Yeah, all the viewers, happy Diwali, have fun with your family and friends, and enjoy this year's Diwali.
Thank you, Suraj. Have a good one.
Thank you. Hi, this is Suraj Vishwanathan, Director of USA Cricket. Happy Diwali, and let's go Yo India TV.
That's really beautiful. What's your final message to Yo India TV viewers?
The message is, if you missed it this year, make sure they don't miss it next year. And we have a lot of other festivals also. We're going to have Durga Puja, we're going to have Ras, Dandiya at the temple. Of course, Karva Chauth is coming up. And then we have New Year Eve program, Republic Day celebrations, Holi, and the big Festival of Globe next year. So there's plenty of opportunities. Get your children involved, get yourself involved. If you don't have time, financially you can become member and support us. So these are the causes. We are empowering our kids socially, culturally, politically, in every way. And you saw a lot of dignitaries today here come so that they can empower the kids as well. So this is my goal and my mission is So I want everybody, all your viewers, to also get engaged and involved.
Wonderful. So don't forget to visit Fremont Hindu Temple for Ras Garba and other Navratri celebrations and enjoy the blessings of Mata Rani. And we'll see you on more of the FoG events, and we'll keep talking to Dr. Chhabra on his next moves and even bigger and better celebrations. Thank you, Doctor, once again for speaking to Yo India TV. Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors as well.
Thank you, and happy Diwali to all the viewers.
Watch us on Yo India TV.
Happy Diwali to all the viewers of Yo India TV.
Hi, this is Suraj Vishwanathan, Director of USA Cricket. Happy Diwali, and let's go Yo India TV.